Hello everyone, today we'll draw this. The first line, 30, and I still have 20, and then 20, 20, making it 40. That line, and then remove this. So you have gotten the first corner. The length from here to here is 70. So let me draw a line of length 70 across, and then use the midpoint to mirror the whole of this side. Then remove the line. I can now draw a line from here, midpoint this place, and then use a 3-point arc to create my arc using the midpoint of that line as the second point. So you can see what I have here. Now I need to go back to my drawing. And from here to here is 60. So let me go back, draw a line of length 60, and then mirror everything here using the midpoint as reference for the mirror line, and then that's it. So all I need to do is to draw another reference line, and then 3-point arc, I don't need this line anymore. So you can see what I have here. Now let me go back to the drawing. The distance from here to here is 65. So what I would do is that I'll draw a line from here, any length, move it by 65, and then extend this to that line. So I don't need this anymore. And then $80, okay, and then offset it by 15, offset by 15, offset this one by 15 also, then trim off here and draw a line that will connect these two lines, right, yes, and then trim off everything here. So what I have here is 80. So what I need to do is to draw another line across, then move it by 15, and then trim off. No, undo, trim off here, here, and here. Now let me regen. Okay, draw a line here, maybe here, somewhere here, and then extend this line. Let me choose the boundary, extend this line to that boundary, and then trim. Let me choose cutting edge. I want to cut it from here to there, as you can see. So what I need to do is to move this line to this place. I no longer need this one. And then offset this line by 42.4, and then trim off this, trim everything off. And then to get this point, the distance from here to here is 56.6. So what I need to do is to draw a reference line, then move it by 56.6, right, and then draw a perpendicular line from here. Press Shift, right click, then choose perpendicular. Let it be perpendicular to the parallel line. So, alright, and then I can trim off here. As you can see, I'm almost through. So what I have here, let me just draw my circle, because I have an arc here, 2 arcs. So let me draw my circle at the center point of this. But that circle is of what's the radius? 15, and another circle of radius 10. Okay, so trim off here, trim off here. I'm done with that side, and then let me go inside. Let me draw this. So the distance from here to here is 35. For me to do that, all I need to do is to offset by 35, offset this by 35, then extend to the end, okay, and then offset this. If you look at the drawing, you can see from here to here is 80, offset this by 80, let's go back to the drawing, and from here to here is 100, right? So let me draw a line in the middle of these two lines, the midpoint, and then offset each of them by 50, offset the line by 50 on both sides. Okay, now so all I need to do is to go to trim, trim off here, trim off here for now. Okay, so let me draw a line that is tangential to both circles. So right click, hold down Shift key and right click and go to tangent. Click here, you can see this line is tangential to this circle. Hold down Shift key again, right click, go to tangent again, and then press enter to terminate. So okay, all right, okay, that's perfect. So what I need to do now is to offset by 15. 15, offset this line inwards, and then extend it to touch here. From the drawing, the distance from this line to this line is 50. So what I'll do is that I'll offset this by 50. That should give me the cutting edge of that line, and extend it to that line. Okay, I can even extend it to the next line for now. Okay, let's go back to the drawing. Distance from here to here is 15.5. 15.5. So for me to get that distance, let me just draw a line from here towards here, 15.5, and then copy this line from here to the end point of that line, and then I can remove that line. Then trimming to trim off everything I don't need, as well as to open up here You can see I have what I need. Fillet radius should be 20, then multiple. Thanks for watching.